Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel Lifesciences with SS. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe my channel. I will give you complete notes and a brief description about various topics of life science. So today my topic is all about carbon cycle. I will give a complete note on carbon cycle and I will describe the whole cycle. So, carbon cycle describes the process in which carbon atoms continually travel from the atmosphere to the earth and then back to atmosphere. The atmosphere it travels from human body then to earth then to and then we release carbon dioxide and this carbon is transported back to atmosphere. And here are some of the basic points of the carbon cycle. Here we can see this flow diagram. Carbon dioxide is taken by autotrophs and it is transported in the form of organic carbon, and then it is used by heterotrophs, and heterotrophs release carbon dioxide as an ultimate form, last form. So this is the simplified carbon cycle, and here carbon is the element that defines life, and as such it is present everywhere. The carbon cycle is often regarded in terms of source, sinks and reservoirs of carbon dioxide, and it is a reservoir store carbon for geological periods of time we know, and there are various all other points, and there are various steps in carbon cycle. This includes carbon fixation and carbon respiration. And the first step includes autotrophs. Both photoautotrophs and chemoautotrophs are referred to as primary producer. In all every process, autotrophs you first use the form that is available in original form, and then it transfers to heterotrophs. Heterotrophs used from autotrophs. And the second step include heterotrophs, that is all animals, microorganisms, as well as human beings. So what happens in carbon fixation? The cycle primarily involves the transfer of carbon dioxide and organic carbon between the atmosphere, where carbon occurs principally as inorganic carbon dioxide, and the hydrosphere and lithosphere. This carbon is present in inorganic as inorganic carbon dioxide. We can't use that inorganic carbon dioxide. It is converted into usable form by carbon fixation, and this is done by our autotrophs, and they are responsible for primary production and conversion of that carbon dioxide into organic carbon. They convert that carbon dioxide into organic carbon, and basically microbe are used in process of carbon fixation. Microbe transfer organic carbon present in the soil to various nutrients. Then decomposition of organic matter is the central step in carbon cycle, because without decomposition the carbon cycle can't be completed. It is incomplete without decomposition, and microbes play a very vital role in carbon fixation. Even in other cycle like nitrogen cycle or any other cycle, microbes plays a very vital role. And methanotrophs are also used in this. Methane can be produced by a special group of anaerobic archaebacteria, that is methanogen, found in special habitat condition, as well as can also be utilized as sole carbon and energy source by another special group of aerobic bacteria called methanotrophs. See here you can see carbon dioxide is converted to CH4, that is methane, by methanotrophs, and organic carbon is released. This process is repeated various times in atmosphere so that we can use that carbon. And total carbon dioxide is in atmosphere would be completely exhausted with this rate of conversion of inorganic to organic carbon. However, reverse process is mineralization of organic to inorganic carbon by the activity of heterotrophs and prevents this exertion. So here you can see again methane is transferred to organic carbon by heterotrophs to carbon dioxide. We release carbon dioxide and as the byproduct of various of our reaction, and here organic carbon is used by these heterotrophs, which is converted by methanotrophs. And here mineralization is the process that describes the decomposition of organic matter to simpler inorganic compounds, that is carbon dioxide NH3, CH4 hydrogen, etc. etc. And this compound may or may not be recycled with the same environment. So next is the carbon cycle is constructed to give a equilibrium with the equal rate in both direction. See, these two processes repeated. This process and this process is repeated in atmosphere and earth. Means this carbon is again and again repeatedly cycled through the process. And then the step come carbon respiration. It involves two steps. One is carbon fixation and carbon respiration. Here, organic carbon is converted to CH4, that is methane, and then this methane is converted to carbon dioxide. Here, heterotrophs, animals, and microbes are used, and to transfer organic to this form, autotrophs, plants, and microbes are used. Microbes can be act as both autotrophs or heterotrophs. And heterotroph animal or microbes obtain their carbon and energy by metabolism of an organic source provided by another life. See here, another term is that is immobilization. Nutrients converted to biomass become temporarily unavailable for nutrient cycling, and that is called immobilization. Means a temporary unusable form of carbon, that is called as immobilization. And here you can see organic carbon really by used by heterotrophs in the presence of carbon dioxide and methane converted into organic carbon, and the cells and organic end products are the basic step here. As a result, some of the organic carbon is mineralized, whereas the rest is converted to further organic form of new growth of heterotroph or as end product of metabolism. We all know carbon dioxide as released as end product of every metabolism. I mean most of the metabolism in aerobic process. The particular heterotroph or and any carbon produced by it then serve as a food source for other heterotroph and so on along a food chain. And at each trophic stage of chain, percentage of original carbon is mineralized until the process is complete. And I have told what is mineralization. Mineralization is the decomposition of organic matter to simpler inorganic compounds. So see, autotrophs, they make organic carbon. Then ultimately this organic carbon is converted to carbon dioxide by organic carbon heterotrophs. This organic carbon is drawn by heterotrophs, this is drawn by heterotrophs, and this heterotrophs are used, and this portion is called as anoxic part. This is no oxygen is involved during the process, and it is oxic part. Oxygen is involved during the process, and here it is showing the full process of carbon cycle. Oh, what's happening? Yes. See, the fossil fuel combustion release carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide reduced to organic matter. By respiration, it also release carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is converted to methane by methanogenesis. It is reductive process. And methano and methylotrophy, this is oxidative by in which methane is converted to carbon dioxide. Again, carbon dioxide fixation and photo and chemotrophy. This converts organic carbon, and this process is the oxidative and redox neutral, and this whole process is the reductive part. And in the carbon cycle depicted above, there is no distinction made between the different types of organic matter formed and degraded. Here you can see no amount of carbon is degraded, no difference you can see here. And this is marked by oversimplification because they vary widely in physically and chemically. So what they include: oxidation reduction potential, that is determined by relative abundance of electron donors and acceptors. That's why our reduction and oxidation occurs. Then availability of nutrients and abiotic conditions and microbial community is present. This whole process helps in your carbon cycle. So this is all about the carbon cycle, and if you have any doubt regarding the video, you can ask me in comment section. I am ready to answer all your questions within an hour. So if you enjoyed this video, if you find this worthy, then please like, share and subscribe. Please guys. Thank you.